Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make that $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make semi-passive income. In today's video, I want to talk to you about how you can start selling stuff on Amazon so that you can start getting some income coming in that's going to be pretty much semi-passive income once you get everything set up, and you're going to be able to make good money doing it by selling stuff that's already selling well on Amazon. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that down here in my description, I always put some great tools for you guys. And the first one I want to talk to you about today is Bluehost. And Bluehost is a great website domain hosting service that you can get for only $3 to $5 a month if you are interested in starting a website. And if you're getting a semi-passive income business going, this is something that you're going to need. You can head down into my description and go grab that link so you can get going with it for yourself. Also want to tell you about another great tool, and this is Tubebuddy. This is something that I've used since the beginning of this channel, and I've also used it on others. And I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out and see a little bit about it.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, Tubebuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try Tubebuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
If you have a YouTube channel or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, Tubebuddy is a great tool for you to use to get more likes, to get more views, and to get more subscribers. I will tell you that if you use my link down here in the description, I will get a small commission off of it if you get the paid version. But the great thing about Tubebuddy is you can start off with the free version, and you can use that as long as you want. And then once your channel starts making money, you can get more and better tools with the paid version so that you can continue to grow your channel. And with that, let's get into the topic. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about something called reverse source wholesaling. And this is something that you can make a lot of money at if you do it the right way. What reverse source wholesaling is basically you go onto Amazon and you see what is selling, what the best things are that are selling right now. It can be in any genre, it can be in any niche, but you basically go do a search on Amazon to see what is really hot right now. And then what you can do with this information is when you find those really good products, just simply reach out to the manufacturer of those products and talk to them about trying to sell the products for them also. You can do this one of two ways. You can either buy some of them from the manufacturer and then post them and sell them on Amazon. However, a lot of them probably have affiliate style programs where you can actually sell it and then the manufacturer will send the products directly to the customer, so you don't have to hold any inventory. You're going to have to do your homework and you're going to have to do your research to check out and see what is available when you find a product to sell on Amazon and see what option they have available for you to do it. And then what you do is you'll become a vendor for that product. and you'll either buy inventory and sell it on Amazon to make a profit, or you will sell it and the manufacturer will send it directly to the customer from their facility, so you don't have to hold any inventory necessarily. One thing to keep in mind is you've got to know how much money you have to invest into it if you want to be able to buy the products and sell them and send them directly to your customers. You're going to have to invest a little bit of money up front to get the products that you need to put on Amazon and to sell them. However, if you do an affiliate style, you won't have to get any products at all. So do your homework and see what fits best for you in your current situation. Once you determine how you're going to do it, then you've got to do one of two things. Either you determine the smallest quantity that you can actually buy from the manufacturer to get them to send them to you at wholesale, and then you can start listing them and start selling them on Amazon just like everybody else. On the other hand, if they have an affiliate program, you've got to figure out how to set up the affiliate to be able to sell them on Amazon so that you can get them sent to the customers from the manufacturers. And then what you can do is once you start making that money, you can actually reinvest that money back into more products, so you can start building up the amount of products that you have available to sell. And then what you'll find is over time, you're going to see that you'll be able to have a large inventory and be able to sell a lot, and then you're going to be able to start taking a cut of that, what you're selling, because you're not going to have to continuously reinvest into more and more and more products. One other thing that you can do is after you've built up your inventory of that one product and you have some extra money coming in from these sales, you can actually go back onto Amazon and find other products that are selling very well. And as I say in some of my other videos about semi-passive incomes, you can simply wash and repeat this process, and you can find other products that you can start selling doing the same thing and build up a variety of products that you have to offer, so you're always making money and you're always adding new products into your portfolio, so you'll always have a large amount of things that you can sell and you can make the most money. If you stick with one product, that definitely will make you money and you can probably make pretty decent money at it. However, if you diversify and set up a number of products, and you're going to be able to make a lot more money in the long term. I will say though, you've got to be able, if you buy into products wholesale, you do have to have the room to be able to store what you're purchasing for sale. So make sure that you set up yourself a place in your home or your garage to be able to handle the inventory that you have coming in. The great thing about this type of business and getting into it, especially if you are working a full-time job and you are trying to work your way out of having to do a full-time job, is the time commitment that this type of business has. If you do it the right way, you can start generating income and selling products by investing as little as 5 hours a week. And then once it starts growing and you need somebody to handle the mundane little tasks that need to be done, you can hire a virtual assistant to handle all of that for you, so that you still can maintain this type of business and do it on only 5 to 10 hours a week. And you can do that 5 to 10 hours a week and make a full-time income if you set it up the right way. So it's a really great business for those that have a full-time job and have, especially if you're buying the products, if you have some extra money that you can invest into getting some products. This is a great business that doesn't have a large time commitment, and it also, once you get it going, you're not going to have a huge time commitment in keeping it going. So this might be a good business for those of you that are working full time, so think about it if you are interested. Amazon is a huge marketplace and there are a lot of people that are selling on it. One thing I want to say about the sellers on Amazon is a majority of people that start selling on Amazon don't last. So when you see competitors out there, just know and understand that they probably are not going to be there for the long term. This is just kind of the statistics and the way it works. That they will typically fall off and go away over time. So if you start this and you are consistent with it and you work it over the long term, you can become a very good seller on Amazon for the products that you find. And as your reputation builds on it, you get good reviews and you start building up the number of sales that you have, then you're going to find that you're going to be outselling some of the competition that you have on there, just based on these facts and based on the fact that a lot of them aren't going to be there in the future because they are not going to be consistent themselves and they're not going to be in it for the long haul. So keep in mind that even though there might be a large pool of people out there selling similar products, you can jump on that bandwagon and you can make it a long-term income for yourself if you are consistent and you set it up to be in it for the long term. So, basically what it boils down to is if you can get like 5 different products and invest the time to get 5 products going and selling on Amazon, you can actually make a really good income. And you can do it full time, and in full time, as I said, that's 5 to 10 hours a week, and you can have a full-time income. The profit on these types of things is typically between 15 and 20%, which isn't bad. So you have a chance to make some really good money doing this type of business. So my recommendation to you is, if you're looking for a business that you can start that doesn't take a whole lot of time and it might take a little bit of investment but not a whole lot, check out Amazon and go find out what products are selling well so that you can start getting your own inventory in and selling it on Amazon yourself. This can be a long-term business that you can do very well at, and I think that for the right people, this is a good business model to get into so that you can take care of you and your family and be able to have a lot more time on your hands to do the things that you want to do. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and you learned a lot from it. Selling on Amazon can be very lucrative if you do it the right way. I want to remind you, head down in my description and go grab that link for Tubebuddy and for the Bluehost. Those are great tools when you're starting your semi-passive income business and if you are starting a YouTube channel. I'm going to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.